Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Dorian Wilger and I'm product specialist at Okuma. I'm standing here on the AMB2024 in Stuttgart. Next to me we have the Okuma LU3000 machine, automated with a Promo robot. The LU3000 is a two-saddle lathe machine equipped with one main spindle and a tailstock. The two-saddle system allows you to make high-efficient 4-axis simultaneous machining. Together with the automation, we have a compact cell for man-less operation. If you want to learn more about this machine, come and visit us in hall number 10, booth number D71. If you cannot join, you can also contact us on info@okuma.eu. See you!